Hello, little yogis. Welcome to our magical yoga adventure. Take a big deep breath in and breathe out. Today we'll stretch, smile, and feel strong together. And guess what? Stay until the end for a super special surprise gift. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Wake up, shake up, start the day. Little yogis, hip hooray. Stamp your feet upon the floor. Yoga magic, open the door. Clap your hands and spin around. Feel the joy in every sound. Wiggle, giggle, stretch and play. It's a sunshine yoga day. Jump like frogs into the pond. Wave your arms like a magic wand. Roar like a lion, strong and free. You're the best that you can be. Jump into yoga, let's go. Shake your body high and low. Jump into yoga, feel alive. Watch your happy spirit thrive. Arms up, feet down, breathe it out. That is what yoga's all about. Jump into yoga, shining bright. Everything feels just right. Hop like bunnies, skip and leap. Wake up from your cozy sleep. Flap your wings like a butterfly. Reaching, soaring, way up high. Spin around like a whirlwind fast. Then slow down and hold it last. Breathe in deep and breathe out slow. Feel your inner fire glow. Stomp like elephants, big and proud. Sing your yoga song out loud. Buzz like bees from flower to flower. This is your superpower hour. Jump into yoga, let's go. Shake your body high and low. Jump into yoga, feel alive. Watch your happy spirit thrive. Arms up, feet down, breathe it out. That is what yoga's all about. Jump into yoga, shining bright. Everything feels just right. Freeze, can you hold it still? Feel the thrill, feel the thrill. Down and steady, eyes ahead. Calm the storm inside your head. Now release and shake it out. Wiggle wildly, jump and shout. Then come back to soft and slow. Breathe in deep and let it go. High five, little yogi star. Look how amazing you are. Hands together, take a bow. You are awesome here and now. Namaste and hip hooray. Come back soon, another day. Put your cape on, little star. Yoga heroes, here we are. Stretch your super arms up wide. Feel the power deep inside. Fly across the yoga mat. Strike a pose just like that. Every hero needs to know how to breathe and how to flow. Can you fly like a superhero? Counting down from 5 to 0. Can you land so soft and still? Every pose a brand new thrill. Superstar yogi, rise up high. Touch the rainbow in the sky. Superstar yogi, strong and bright. Powered up with inner light. Twist and balance, leap and land. Breathing steady, feeling grand. Superstar yogi, shine your best. You have passed the yoga test. Sprint across the yoga space. Then slow down and find your grace. Heroes breathe when things get tough. Calm and steady is enough. Bend your body, hold the pose. Feel the peace from head to toes. Every superhero knows strength is found when calmness flows. Strike your mightiest hero pose. Take a breath and off it goes. Land so gently on your mat. Super yogi, just like that. Superstar yogi, rise up high. Touch the rainbow in the sky. Superstar yogi, strong and bright. Powered up with inner light. Twist and balance, leap and land. Breathing steady, feeling grand. Superstar yogi, shine your best. You have passed the yoga test. Every hero needs to rest. Breathing slow is always best. Lay your super body down. Swap your cape for a peaceful crown. Close your eyes and feel the calm. Superpower in your palm. You don't need to save the day. Peace was always on the way. Rise up, superstar so bright. You were wonderful tonight. Hands on heart and take a bow. You're a hero here and now. Namaste, little light. Go and shine with all your might. Tiptoe toes on the floor. Reach up high just a little more. Wiggle your fingers, touch the sky. Hello sun, we say hi. Let's move and play like the clouds today. Stretch and smile. Hold it for a while. Breathe in slow. Let the soft wind blow. Go nice and easy. Nice and easy. Hey! Slow, slow spin. Turn around. Sit right down on the ground. Butterfly knees.
Amazing job, little yogis. Here's your special surprise gift. A giant yoga hug and happy kisses just for you. Remember, you are strong, calm, and magical. Bye-bye, little yogis.